So, dito na tayo guys. C input output. In C programming, printf is one of the main output function. Isa raw siya sa pinaka-importante din guys pag usapang output function. The function sends formatted output to the screen. Example. Ito yun. Ito yung code guys. Yan. How does this program work? All valid C programs must contain main function. The code execution begins from the start of the main function. So, lahat daw ng C programs mo ay nagbabase dito sa main guys. Pag wala yan guys, di mag-work yung program mo. The printf is a library function to send formatted output to the screen. The function prints the string inside quotations. Ang printf daw guys, ito yung nagpiprint ng dito yes yung variable na dyan guys. Yan yung nagpiprint pang output. Kung anong nilagay mo dito guys, dito lalabas. Yan yung lalabas guys. Yan yung nagpiprint guys. For short. To use printf in our program, we need to include stdio.h header file using the number sign include stdio statement. Pag nagagamit daw tayo ng printf guys in our program, we need to include, dapat makasama din natin siya guys, yung include stdio.h. The return 0 statement inside the main function is the exit status. Ito yun guys, yung return 0. Bale, dyan yung nagtatapos yung program mo. Example 2 na tayo guys, integer output. Yan yung code guys. We use %d format specifier to print int types. Here the %d inside the quotation will be replaced by the value of test integer. Yan guys. Example 3, float and double output. May adds pa. Yan guys, yan yung code. Pag niran mo yan, ito yung lalabas guys. Yan, output. To print float, we use %f format specifier. Similarly, we use %lf to print double values. Gets ko na guys. Ito yung format specifier ng float pag usara guys. Then pag dalawa, LF ba yun? Double. LF nga. Okay. Yan yung guys. Example 4, print characters. Then guys, to print characters guys, ito yung format specifier na guys. To print car, we use %c, a format specifier. C input na tayo guys. In C programming, scanf is one of the commonly used function to take input from the user. The scanf function reels formatted input from the standard input such as keyboards. Example 5, integer input or output. Yan guys yung code. Yan code dito. Integer, enter an integer, scanf. Here we have used %d format specifier inside the scanf function to take input from the user. When the user enters the integer, it is stored in the test integer variable. Yun guys. Example 6, float and double input output. Yung code guys, medyo di ko maintindihan yung iba. We use %f and %lf format specifier for float and double respectively. Example 7, C character ay input or output. When a character is entered by the user in the above program, the character itself is not stored. Instead, an integer value ASC2 value is stored. And when we display that value using %c text, format. The enter character is displayed if we use %d to display the character. Its C2 value is printed. Input or output multiple values. Here's how you can take multiple inputs from the user and display them. Ito yung mga format specifier guys. As you can see from the above example we use. Ito yung laging ginagamit guys. Ito. Lagi yung ginagamit guys. At ito yung list of commonly used C data types under format specifiers. Ito yun guys.